Hello, and welcome to this Little Light meditation. This is a quick body scan designed to provide a boost of self-confidence to release stress and fear by mindfully reconnecting you with yourself. Find a safe and comfortable seated position with your spine tall and proud, rolling the shoulders back, dropping them away from the ears. And once you feel settled and at home, take a deep breath in, pausing at the top, and then exhale through the mouth with an audible sigh, letting go of everything that went on before this moment. Take another deep breath in, pausing at the top, exhaling through the mouth, releasing everything you have to do after this moment. One more deep breath in, pausing at the top, and then exhale, releasing anything that is still lingering, dropping comfortably into your seat, and gently closing your eyes, shifting your attention and awareness to your breath in this moment. Allow your breath to return to its normal breathing pattern. Bring one hand to your heart and one to your belly, connecting to these two essential life forces that beat and flow within you, not changing the quality or pace of the breath, simply observing the beauty of your breath, the sound, the feel, noticing the rise and expansion on the inhale, the descent and contraction on the exhale, and the subtle pauses in between. All while your heart beats to the beautiful rhythm of your life. Allow your hands to come down and rest on your thighs or in your lap. Wherever they feel comfortable is perfect. If at any point during the scan you find yourself drifting off into thoughts, that's okay. Be kind to yourself. The art is to notice and bring yourself back to your breath. The challenge is to do so without self-criticism. Now bring your attention to your toes, feet, and legs, noticing the places of physical contact with the surface supporting you. Use your inhales to create space in these areas. On the exhales, feel relaxation flowing down through your thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and out your toes, sinking comfortably into the surface supporting you without fear or hesitation, knowing how far your feet have carried you, and that every step of your journey has always and will always be completely supported by the universe. Bringing your attention and awareness to your seat and pelvic floor. Noticing this solid foundation. Feel your inhales, strengthening this strong, stable base. On your exhales, release any insecurity. Inhales opening you up to feeling grounded, supported, and secure. Exhales releasing and relaxing further into your seat, feeling cradled by and connected to Mother Earth. You are safe and completely comfortable. Bringing your attention to your hips, low back, and stomach. Create space on the inhales, opening up each of these body parts. And on your exhales, releasing, allowing them to completely relax. Inhale, focusing on the hips, creating space for your emotions, space for creativity, joy, and trust to flow freely. Exhale, releasing any stuck energy. Inhaling deep into the belly, firing up your center of confidence. And exhale, releasing any lingering fears. Bringing your awareness up to your arms, upper back, and chest, creating space on the inhales, feeling these areas loosen and open. And on the exhales, allow yourself to let go, completely releasing and relaxing deeper into the comfort of your seat. Chest and heart opening on the inhales, breathing into the sanctity of this space, creating room for unconditional love, forgiveness, and empathy for yourself and others. Exhale, releasing any blocks in this area. Bringing your awareness to your neck and shoulders. Inhale, purifying and creating space in the throat for you to thoughtfully speak your voice and effectively express yourself. Exhaling, releasing any blocks in this area. Inhaling, creating space between the shoulder blades, shoulders dropping further away from the ears. Exhale, allowing yourself to release, clearing away any stress and tension you carry here. Allowing the weight of the world that sits on your shoulders to completely melt away. On your next breath, bring your awareness to your head, creating space on the inhales, space between the eyebrows, unclenching your jaw, relaxing the eyes. And on the exhale, allow yourself to release any tension. Inhaling, connecting to your awareness and intuition. Exhaling, releasing any doubt. Inhaling up to the crown of your head, feeling blissfully at peace with yourself, directly connected to the divine. Exhaling, letting go of any remaining worries. Trusting in yourself and in the divine. Open to receiving the infinite blessings the universe has to offer you. And on your next breath, begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, bringing your awareness back to your physical body. Bringing one hand back up to your heart and one to your belly. Connecting once again to these sacred spaces. Take a deep, revitalizing breath of gratitude for yourself and your journey. And when you're ready, open your eyes. The poet D. Antoinette Foy wrote, "Breathe deeply until sweet air extinguishes the burn of fear in your lungs. And every breath is a beautiful refusal to become anything less than infinite." May you go into the rest of your day breathing sweet air, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.